Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for tuning in to this hopefully quick announcement on COVID-19 status in Oklahoma. I just wanted to give you what seems to have become a bi-monthly update. Where we're at currently is the deadline for Army National Guard service members to be vaccinated and be paid by the Department of Defense has passed. That deadline was July 1st. So we are currently in what I would call a steady state situation, and I just wanted to give everybody the information. This may be my last update for a considerable period of time, because without a change at the national level or a change in the Department of Defense policy, I don't see me needing to provide any more information. I will say that today the Oklahoma National Guard received its first religious exemption denial from the Department of Defense, and that individual has approximately 5 days to appeal. And if you have any questions concerning that process, or should your religious or medical exemption be denied in the future, please don't hesitate to ask. We will be facilitating the development of all of the appropriate paperwork, etc., to provide you with a religious exemption or medical exemption appeal should it become necessary. So first of all, I want to talk about the issue with emergency use authorization or FDA-approved vaccine. That very much was an issue in the past. However, the FDA has approved and the pharmaceutical companies are manufacturing fully FDA approved and fully FDA labeled vaccine. So if you're one of those individuals that indicated earlier that you were willing to take only an FDA approved vaccine, we will be contacting you as those vaccines become available here in the near future. Also related to vaccines, I wanted to discuss the Novavax vaccine. You may or may not be familiar with Novavax. It is a vaccine that is based on a protein technology that is a traditional vaccine technology. It does not use the new mRNA technology, the DNA or replicant RNA technology. It is a traditional vaccine. It is not currently available in the United States. However, the Department of Defense does consider it to be acceptable for the purposes of the vaccine mandate. But it is coming to the United States. Just this week, the FDA indicated, and it had a hearing in which it was unanimously considered for further approval. I would expect that Novavax will become available here in the near future, and I would encourage everyone at that time to consider its use. If you had a religious exemption request based on the use of a fetal stem cell line in the development of the mRNA vaccines, this particular vaccine, Novavax, I am told, and during my research, does not use fetal cell line technology in its development or manufacture. So those of you that are currently have chosen to be unvaccinated and have indicated that you do not wish to file a religious or medical exemption, please know that according to the DoD policy, I'm not able to pay you. DFAS is the Defense Finance Accounting Service, is a federal entity, and if you were to be paid, they would simply recoup those funds from you. So therefore, after the July 1st deadline, as I've indicated, no service member in Oklahoma, in the Oklahoma National Guard, will be able to drill or participate in any other training, although there are some exemptions and limitations to that. We'll notify you if they apply. They're generally around processing your religious or medical exemption. If you have questions, as always, please work through your chain of command. Call my office. I continue to work this process daily. I want to encourage everyone out there to remain vigilant in this and consider your options. And if you have any questions, please contact me. In closing, and not related to COVID, I just wanted to say that this is my first 6 months here in this position, and I'm so very grateful and thankful for the work that you all do in service of the state and in service of our nation. Many of you are preparing for mobilization. That is my highest priority, and I look forward to seeing you on these deployments and continuing to work with each and every one of you.